Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. I have yet another tofu and veggie recipe. I know you have liked my tofu broccoli stir fry, and this is the tofu with vegetable stir fry in a different sauce. So stay tuned for my recipe and let's get started. Hey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I have used different colored bell peppers and diced onion, and of course using firm tofu. Let's drain all the water out of it. On a clean countertop, place kitchen towel and add some kitchen towel papers on it, and let's add our tofu and let's drain all the excess water out of this by gently pressing it. Keep the heavy bottom pan on it for about 5 to 10 minutes and then cut it into cube size pieces. Alright, so I have 3 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper. So let's give that a good mix. And we are going to add our tofu pieces just to get a nice coat of this corn flour. So basically just shake this bowl, and because they are very delicate, so make sure they are covered. Alright, so I'm going to keep it aside and add the rest of the tofu. You can either shallow fry or deep fry the tofu. This time I'm deep frying this tofu. Let's fry until it's golden brown and nice and firm. It will be around 3 to 4 minutes each side. Alright, so I'm making a sauce now in the same bowl. So I'm taking sriracha sauce, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, depends on how hot you want. And again, all these ingredients are optional. You can try to get everything together to get the best taste, but it's fine if you can skip 1 or 2 sauces. So I'm taking 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup just to get a nice tangy flavor, and here is my dark soy sauce, taking about 1 tablespoon, maybe 2. Let's move on to our vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar here, about 1 tablespoon, but you can use normal vinegar as well, again for the tangy flavor. And here is my yummy peanut butter. It's gonna give us that creamy texture to the sauce and the thickness to the sauce. Of course, we need to dilute all these ingredients in about half a cup of water. Let's give that a good mix. Let me share how to do that. Just keep stirring it until the peanut butter is well combined in this bowl. So I have my veggies ready, my fried tofu ready, and my sauce ready. I have a big wok here. Let's turn the heat on high. And once the wok is hot enough, we will add oil. I also have 3 to 4 red chilies, some chopped ginger, and chopped garlic. Alright, so let's add oil. Wow, look at this. Nice and smoky hot. Let's add our garlic.
the red chilies. We have to get this on high flame. Look at this nicely roasted vegetable. I can smell this really good. And now we are going to add our marinated and fried tofu. Give that a good mix. Make sure your flame is on high. Alright, time to add our sauce. Just add it from the side. That a good mix. Look at this side. I'm going to add some water so that the spices won't burn. About 3 to 4 tablespoons. We are adding about 1 tablespoon of honey, or you can also add sugar. And I'm going to add my ginger pieces. Give it a good mix. I turn the heat off because our recipe is ready. Beautiful flavorful tofu with veggie stir fry. Let's serve this hot. And look at this, guys, so delicious and tasty. So I have some roasted sesame seeds. I'm just going to top it up. If you don't have that, you can also add scallion. Alright, my taste test.
Oh my god, Mom, I don't like, what is this? Oh, sorry guys, I just couldn't wait until the outro. I had to try this amazing tofu. Oh my god. You guys have to try that. That is absolutely amazing.
Alright, here you know now. So I hope you like this recipe and like my secret sauce with peanut butter. It's just gonna taste amazing. So I hope you are going to try it at home and enjoy this as is or with steamed rice. Alright, stay tuned for my next recipe. Till then, take care and goodbye. And hey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.